Hello everyone. For today's game, we have to draw a square using this car, and then in the same path we have to move backwards. We have to make this car move forward to create a square, and then again in the same path we have to move in reverse direction. So let's start building it. First we have to place this my program block. Then what we must do, we have to construct a loop. Repeat times loop. How many times we should repeat this loop? 4 times. Why 4 times? Because there are 4 sides in a square. 4 times. For 4 times what we must do? We have to move forward, and then turn right or left. So like I am turning right here. So let's start the simulation and see what we are getting. So we completed half of the task. We got a square. Now what we must do? We must go in reverse direction in the same square track. So as you can see, the car is facing this side. So we have to move this again this side to move this in the same square path. So I am placing turn left, and then again what we must do, we must make another square in reverse direction in the same square. So again we have to construct the loop, same 4 times because square has 4 sides, and then move backwards because as you can see the car will be facing this side, so it must move backwards, and then again left backwards, left backwards, left backwards. So turn left. Now let's see whether it came correctly or not. Start the simulation. As you can see, the car is moving in the same direction in reverse. So like what all different ways we can achieve this problem? Like can we do this by moving forward? Yeah. How? Let's see that. So here it is turn left right. What will happen if we put turn right here? Turn right. And then this thing again move forward now because the car will be facing this side. And when we put turn left here, let's see, start. As you can see, the same thing we got. So if you want to increase the size of the square, what you will do? If you want to make it a bigger square, then it's very simple. We have to place more move forward or move backward paths here. Like I am placing move forward 3 times here, so we'll get a square of length 3 steps in each side. Here also move forward. Let's see. And now in reverse direction. Yeah, if you want to make this square in the same way in upper side, what you will do, we must turn left here, turn left. And what we should do, we are turning left here, going, turning left, going, turning left, going, turning left, coming, and then again we are turning left. Now what we should do, again we have to turn left again, and then we have to move forward, right, forward, right, forward, right. So again we have to turn left, and then same block for reverse direction. Now forward, forward, forward. Here we must turn right. Let's see. Now it's going upwards. So we got the square in reverse direction also. So what we have learned today? We have learned how to utilize this loop to make a square path, and as well as how to move in reverse direction in the same path. So that's it for today. Thank you.